Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this fantastic camping light that this brand sent to me for this video, which I gotta say, it's just not a camping light. It's a tons of things in one. So, for example, this one, what you're gonna do, what you're gonna have actually, on this one, I just put this one up before it falls. You're gonna have a telescopic camping light that it can extend, it can rotate, it can change mode. It has 12,000 milliamps hour battery inside, so meaning that this one's gonna give you enough juice for all night. But then check this out. Right here you're gonna find the button. So with this button, this is what you're gonna do. So this is kind of like gonna be the tripod, and it has reflective lights everywhere, kind of like reflective straps anyway, so it can give you a really nice sense of if something is happening, like if you need to see where your camping was or something like that. You're gonna also have that one as well. And then you're gonna find the button to turn it on and off, and then the USB-C ports right here on the back for recharging. But also this one comes with an USB-A, meaning that with the 12,000 milliamps an hour, it can give you also a power bank so you can charge your devices. And then we're gonna come back at night. This is charged right now, so we're gonna come back at night so you can see how good this one is. But then check this out. This is the telescopic thing that I was just telling you about. So you can just put it in the floor, you can put it right here. But this one is not only gonna give you light just like this, you can also hang it from a tent. But then check this out. This one, it rotates, so you can actually give directional light to anywhere just by rotating the head over here. So we're gonna put it this way. We're gonna let it to charge a little bit more. We're gonna put back this one so you can see how you're gonna do that, and then you're gonna lock it again, and that's gonna be it. But now we're gonna set it up for the night. Okay, so it's getting dark right here. So what I want to do right here, first time I want to show you what is going to be the flashlight mode. So we kind of like short press right here. So now it's going to be on, and we have not one, but two, but three modes, like three modes, and that's going to give you like kind of a brief of how powerful this one can be on those three modes. The other thing that I want to show you now that it's on flashlight mode, and by the way, if you need to go like further or something like that, you can do it just like this, or by the way, you can also do this in case that you want to do it like in an angle or something like that. You can do it just like this. Or if you want to go kind of like super close to the floor, if you're looking for something like screws or I don't know, like a needle or something like that, you can do it. But then also check this out. If I put it just like this, doesn't matter that it's this mode or like any other mode, you're gonna see this right again. So I'm gonna turn it on back, and you're gonna see something really, really cool. Oh, by the way, I actually touched it, so I need to kind of like reset it now, which is gonna be this one right here. So then I can put it in the floor, and I can just like do something like a picnic or something like that, or if I'm going camping, I can just point it to the floor or something like this. But then also right here on the bottom part, you're gonna find that comes a magnet. So in this one, you're gonna can actually, but this is not a good one because this is not the kind of metal that's gonna be magnetized. But if that will be the case, you can just do this and use the magnet, or just use the magnet right here. It's a pretty strong one. Then also check this out. What we're gonna do right now, we're gonna find the button, double click. It's gonna change the light mode. This light mode, you can do the same thing. It's gonna be number 2, and it's gonna be number 3. So with this one, you're gonna have kind of like a more cozy light, kind of like a really nice. And if you're going like on camping with friends or something like that, you can use this light. And then one more time, if I do this, it's gonna be the SOS mode. So you can put a few of this one. You can just like put them in the floor in the tripod mode, just like this. And you can, if you have like a car situation or something like that, you can just go, you can just move and make sure that if there is people coming or something, they see it. Also, this one, another cool thing, it is entirely waterproof, so you can just leave it like that. Well, it's actually pretty bright, so you can just leave it outside if you need. But again, this one is super powerful, super nice to have for like camping, hiking, fishing, or any situation like pointing at the camera and make you go blind. But again, one more time, I do like it, pretty convenient to have, and of course it's gonna be a good one every single time for the camping and the outdoors life. I like it, I do recommend. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.